Hello, friends. My name's Mary, the insurance sales queen, and thanks so much for joining me. If you are back with us, you know that we're going to break things down step by step. If you are new to the channel, thanks again. Let me know how you found us. And finally, if you just passed your exam, congratulations. You definitely deserve some high fives and fist bumps. So you should be shouting for joy, definitely celebrating. I hope you're able to go get yourself some ice cream there. Depending on whether or not you're going to be with a corporate office or you have gone over to an agency, is also going to be dependent on your next steps. So, just like a tree where everything branches out as you go along, you're going to find that a lot of opportunities are presented to you. So, eyes open for that, and we're going to break those down. First thing that we're going to talk about is fingerprinting. Of course, after you pass the test, you're going to need fingerprinting. They let you know that from the get go. If you are independent, you're going to have to go ahead and electronically file that on your own. However, if you're with an agent's office or with a big call center, quite often they're going to do those things for you. Now, in order to maintain your license, you're going to want to make sure you keep a clean background. You do not want to, partake in any criminal activity. Every couple of years, they're going to ask you. This is part of continuing education. You're going to fill out that survey and you're going to let them know whether or not you got into any trouble. So just because you passed the test and you have your license doesn't mean you're free and clear to do as you wish. You want to make sure that you are following the rules. Okay. So applying for the license, sometimes that can take a little bit of time. I've heard anywhere between, a couple of days to much, much longer. It's all going to be dependent upon, when you're doing that, how you're doing that. And you'll find in this industry, there are a lot of variables to almost everything. So every state's a little bit different. You are going to want to check with your Department of Insurance. So the DOI will certainly be able to help you in your navigation there. So every state's a little bit different. If you're with your current agency, again, if you're with corporate, they're going to be able to handle things for you or at least point you in the right direction. Otherwise, you want to make sure you stay up to date on your resources. Use your tools. Uncle Google is one of my favorites. I ask him everything. If I'm not quite sure, I make sure to do my research. Um, Next up, any state that you're going to be licensed in, they're going to want their fee. So you're going to have a residence license wherever state you are. I am currently in Arizona. That's where I'm licensed. However, I do have licenses in other states. When I was working for corporate, I was taking calls across the country. So I was licensed in 48 states. Now I'm down to 8. There's no reason for me to be staying licensed, and Oklahoma is a great example. I was licensed there, but I don't recall ever writing any business in Oklahoma, so there was no point in me being licensed there. However, if I do find somebody looking for a quote, just let me know. I'm happy to send them your way. So next, once you're licensed, if you're not already where you want to be, this is when you're going to go ahead and scatterbomb your resume, get the word out that you are open and available. You're going to apply for things. You're going to keep your eyes open. Here in a couple of years, you're going to need to renew licenses. Be prepared to pay for whatever states that you're going to be in. If you are independent, you are also going to have an opportunity to design and assign the kinds of companies that you would like to offer. So I am currently at a brokerage. I'm pretty sure I'm already where I want to be when I grow up. So they have their programs already set up. When I got there, they were already offering over a dozen companies if somebody's looking for home or auto, 40 companies if somebody's looking for life insurance. So they had that set up when I got there. These companies that they choose to work with, they are handpicked based on how good are they with customer service, answering agent questions, and things like claim time. Claim time is super important. We, as agents, want to make sure we're working with companies that do what they say they're going to do. So in some later sessions, we're going to break that down. Your company is only as good as the policy they keep. So pretty important stuff there. You can preview your options in the industry. So you've gained your license. You can go sell PNC. You can go sell life insurance. I like to convert the word from sell to offering. And because really it means you have extensive knowledge in product or service that you're able to offer. It does take a licensed agent to be able to write these policies. So for you to be savvy enough to go do a little shopping on your own, check out the industry, see who's hiring and what kind of opportunities are out there for you. Now that you're licensed, you're quite a commodity. And so you're going to have opportunities that fall in your lap. But remember, keep your eyes wide open because things are going to just fall in your lap there. So again, congratulations on the pass. Super appreciate you joining us here, and we'll see you soon.